Achha, now all of you can hear me. Just show me your hands. If okay. Now just let me start the chapter. Okay, almost it is done yesterday. Up to which number? Achha, let me share the screen first. I'm sharing the screen. Okay. This one. Okay, just look. I think this one already done. Sum number 17 done. Yes or no? Okay. Sum number 18 is also done in the last class. That means yesterday. Okay, now today I'll solve even 20 also done. Up to 24 probably. Yes, up to 24 done. Now today I'll start from 25. Okay. Today I'll start from 25. Clear? Acha, now just I am covering the answer. Okay. What to do? Just all of you, I can see the screen properly. I am just covering the answer. Okay. At first, let me make you understand how to solve 25. Achha, all of you first take out your copies. Take out your copies. All of you, I can see all of you, huh? You are not taking out your copies. Take out your copies and pencil. First, copies, pencil. Read Chakraborty first. Okay, now write CW. CW date. Okay, at first date, then CW. And then page number also. Look at this. Look at this. Write the date first, then write CW. Okay, then write the page number. It is clear to all of you? It is clear? Achha, now look. Just write 25. Question number 25. No need to write the question. Okay, don't write the question. Just 25. Mark 25. Again, I am saying write the date, CW, page number, and question 25. Right. Okay. No need to write the statement or question. Just heading 25. Now I am solving how to do. I am just covering the answers. Okay. Look at this. It is given if you take away 521 from a number. Look, if you take away 521 from a number and are left with 315. That means there was a number. Okay, just look at this. Suppose there was a number. That is the number, this box portion. Okay. Wait. This box portion, acha, wait. The box portion is the number. Okay. And if you take away means you have already taken. I have taken 521 from this number. Okay. And after taking away, there are left 315. The left part is 315. So is it clear to you? Suppose you had 15 chocolates. Okay, 15 chocolates. We don't know how many chocolates do you have. Okay, we don't know. Suppose I have taken 10 chocolates from you and the left chocolate you have, that is 5. Then what was the total number of chocolates? Look, I have taken 10. Right now you have 5. Then at first, how many do you have? Clear? That means just you have to add this. I have taken 10 and you right now you have left chocolate 5. That means at first total was this 10 and 5. Clear? So I am clearing the board again. Look, covering the answer again. Okay. Look, now I have taken 521 and 315 left. Then at first, what was the total? Just only this plus this. If all of you have understood, then just raise your hands. If all of you have understood, raise your hands. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Then just write the answer. Solve. After this, look, taken away part of the number is 521 and left part of the number, that means remaining part is 315. So the number is equal to this. Okay. Just we have to add them. Just write the box portion first. First write it. All of you written, just raise your hands. Just show me your hands. In the camera, in front of camera, just show me your hands if you have completed. Okay, good, good. Shampurna completed. Taskin Alam completed. Just show me your hands. Dipayan Haldar. Okay, good. Just then I am just moving in the next question, huh? I am moving in the next question. All of you have completed, though. Acha, those who have not completed, raise your hands. Those who have not completed, raise your hands. Not completed. Acha, Farid Khatun, you have not completed. Okay, then I am showing you the screen again. Write fast. Don't get slow, huh? Look, Farid, complete it fast. And for the other students, sum number 26. Look, this is normal multiplication. If you know the table, then you can easily solve. Yes, to? Yes or no? Just shake your heads. Yes. Okay. Okay, okay. Achha, now just look at this. Sum number 26. Farid Khatun for copy 25 first. Acha, I am just covering the answer of 26 and 27. You know the table of 2. Just normal. Look at this. I am solving it. 52 and multiplied by 2. Just normal multiplication. Look, 2 2s are 4. I am writing over there. Then 5 2s are 10. Clear? Just solve it. First. Copy it first. Completed. If completed, then just show me your hands. No need to send the sticker, handed sticker. No. Just show me your hands. Okay. Just like Aratrika have shown. Okay, Prakriti, good. All of you, Adrija, If you have completed, just show me your hands in front of your camera. Okay, good. Okay. Shaptaparna, I have already seen. Okay, very good. Okay, now to it, sum number B. 26. B also you have completed. B, look, I am solving the B in the above part. Okay, look, in this box, I am solving the B. Look, it is 109 multiplied by 3. Okay. Acha, I'm just clearing the board. Huh? It will be very much dirty. Huh? Look, already A to you have completed. I'm clearing. Huh? Now I am just covering B answer because A has done. Now look, 109 multiplied by 3. Yes. All of you know the table of 3? Shake your heads if yes. Okay. Good, good. Now just count it. Acha, I have covered the answer. Look, 3 into 9 at first you have to multiply. 3 9. 3 9 is 27. Na? So you have to take this ones place digit 7 over there. Yes. And this 2 will be carry forwarded. It will be carried over this. Yes. 2 is carried. Acha, now next step 3 into 0. Right? Acha, 3 into 0 means what? 0 itself. It is 0. Now we have to add the carry forward digit. That is 2. That means 0 plus 2. It will be 2. So directly 2 will be there. Okay. As it is single digit, so no digit will be carry forward. Now just normal 3 into 1. 3. Clear to? 327. Now I am clearing. Okay, the screen. At first, write it first. Note it down. Everyone, if completed, show me your hands. Okay. Okay, good. All of you completed. Tafim, Jenia, Tafim, just show me your hands in front of camera if you have completed. Okay, good. All of you are very good boy and girl. I am clearing. Okay. Now A, B completed. Okay. Now I am moving the screen. I am moving the screen. Acha, is there any doubt? Just one more thing. If you have any doubt, you will raise your hands. Just send the sticker, hand raise sticker. Taskin Alam, you have doubt, right? Okay, I'm going to unmute. Taskin Alam, I am going to unmute you. Taskin, unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Yes, same.
Ma'am, I am not understanding the 25 number of question.
Okay, 25 you have not understood. Acha, for all the other student, I am saying, just keep quiet, okay? I will again make you understand 25. Those who have already understood, just listen to me, okay? Taskin, listen to me very carefully, huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now look. Taskin, mute yourself first, mute. Achha, now look, the number, look, there is a number. Suppose you have some chocolates. We don't know how many chocolates do you have. Clear? We don't know. You have some chocolates, okay? We don't know. But from you, suppose I have taken 20 chocolates. Clear? How many chocolates I have taken? Taskin, response.
Ma'am,
You have
20
some
chocolates.
20 chocolates, okay? After
Yes.
taking, I have taken the 20. But still now you have 7 chocolates left. Right now you have 7 chocolates left. Okay? I have taken 20 and you have right now 7. So at first, what was the total number of chocolates you can say? Before taking
20.
20?
Ma'am, 27.
How do you get the answer?
Ma'am, by addition.
Exactly the same thing. This is in case of chocolate. Look, you have understood it very well. Right now the same thing happens for the number. Look, there was some number. There was a number. We don't know the value of the number. Clear? Now
Yes,
look, if you take away 521, that means I have taken 521. Clear too?
Yes, ma'am.
After that, look left to it 315. 315 is left over there. Clear to? Now, what was the number at first? What to do? Just normal addition. Now it is clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Good.
Thank you,
Achha,
ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Now I am moving the screen for the other students also. Okay. 26
Okay, ma'am.
AB done. You have. Acha, Taskin, just mute yourself. Mute, huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Acha. For the other students, C, D, and E. Look, there are the answer is given. Don't write the answer. Okay. I'm just covering, huh? Okay. Don't do copy paste. Okay. Now look. At first, I am explaining number C. Okay. It is given 42 into 4. You know the table of 4. Just shake your hands. Shake your heads if yes. Okay. Good. Acha, it is 4 twos are just normal. 4 twos are 8. Clear? Just write. Then 4 fours are 16. Very much easy, no? Just write the answer. Number C, number D. Even there is nothing to make you understand in number C, right? Just normal table. So number D I am solving. Look, 321 multiplied by 3. Clear though? You also know the table of 3. I think you can do it yourself, right? Yes or no? You can do it yourself, yes or no? Just shake your heads if yes. Okay. Okay, all of you are shaking. Abhinandan, Jana? You can't do it? Okay, do it fast. 3, 1, this is very much simple. 3, 1 is 3. 3, 2s are 6. 3, 3s are 9. Done. Completed. All of you completed. I am waiting for you 1 minute. Only within 1 minute you have to complete, huh? Fast. If completed, then show me your hands in front of the camera. That 5 finger, okay? Okay, good. Good. Achha, only 15 or 16 students are showing me the hands. The other students? Okay, now all of them are showing. Good. Tashkin Alam, show me your hands. Start your camera and start your video and show me your hands. Okay, good. Now I am moving the screen. Number E, you have completed. Number E? Okay. Acha, Vinanda, no need to show me the copyright now, huh? After 5 minutes, don't worry. I'll see all the copies, okay? Acha, number E. First, I am clearing the screen. Number E, F and G you will do. I am just covering the answers. You can do it yourself, I think. Even I am sure of it. This is very much easy. Just table of 2. All of you know, na? Again, I am going to explain. Taskin, listen to me very carefully, huh? Look, it is 418, right? And you have to multiply it by 2. So just first this place 8 to the 16. Carry 1. 8 to the 16. We have to put this 6 here. And 1 will be carried. Achha, just write it. This carry forwarded digit you have to write, huh? Don't do this portion. Solve this portion. Write this side, which I am writing by the red ink. Okay. Write in your copy this portion. Okay, now 2, 1 is 2 plus this 1 carry forwarded number, carry forwarded digit. It will be 3. Next 2 4s are 8. Clear to? Solve it fast. Solve it fast. Achha, no need to write this portion. Just write this. This explanation part, write. Explanation part you have to write in your copy. This explanation portion. Completed? If completed, you will show me your hands in front of the camera, okay? Okay, Gaurav Bhattacharya. Yes, I have seen Gaurav. Okay, now just down your hands. Down your hands. Good. Hornish Mitra, completed. Okay. Gaurav, sorry, Aryan Molla, what are you doing? If all of you have completed number E, then just show me your hands. Show me your hands. Okay. Okay, now I am clearing the screen, I am clearing the screen. Number F, G and H, okay? I'm covering the answer. Already you have seen the answer, now. Okay, no problem, but you have to do it yourself. First, F. Again, I have to explain number F. Or you can do it yourself. I am explaining number F, okay? But number G, I will not explain because it is only table of 2. Just number F, I am explaining, okay? 145 multiplied by 5. You will write the explanation part, You will write the explanation part. No need to write this part. No need to write, okay? Just this explanation part, right? 5, 25, right? 5, 25. This 5 will go there. And these 2 carried over there. Clear? Now, 4 5s are 20 plus these 2, right? That means 22. So 2 will be there and 2 will be again carry forward. Just write it down fast and circle the carry forward digit. Write fast. Now I am doing the next portion. 5 1 is 5 plus this carry forward digit 2. 5 1 is 5 plus 2. That means 7. Clear too? All of you completed this? Show me your hands. If completed, show me. Adil Mullah, what are you doing? Are you playing? I can see all of you, Don't think that I am sharing the screen. That means ma'am cannot see anyone. Okay, I can see all of you. Adil Mullah, completed? Okay. I am clearing the screen, All of you completed though? Just shake your heads. Up to F completed. I'll stop to share the screen right now. Now all of you are just unmute yourself and say if there is any doubt, okay? But don't shout, Don't shout. One by one, you will say, do not shout, okay? Just unmute yourself, all of you. You can't unmute yourself. Look, there is a notification to unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am, I have not completed.
I told you not to shout.
completed.
Okay, again you are in mute. I told you not to shout.
Ma'am,
I told you not to shout.
I am also completed. Ma'am, একবার আরেকটা দেখান।
Yes, but you have to talk in English. Don't talk in Bengali. This is not Bengali period, okay? You have to talk in English. Clear or not? All of you are in mute because I told you not to shout, right? Clear to? Acha, now just raise your hands who have not understood up to this. Raise your hands who have not understood. Not understood, okay? Those who have understood, that is okay. जिसको समझ में नहीं आया, those who have not understood, just raise your hands. There is a sticker of sending hand raise sticker. That sticker, send the sticker. That means all of you have understood. Nobody sent the sticker. That means all of Adrika Khara, you want to play? Okay, when will you come to the school? I'll play with you, huh? But right now, solve the sum. Okay. Acha, yes, there are two hands. Shaptaparna and Deepayan. Yes. Tanvir also. There is doubt, right? Okay, nobody will talk. Look at this. I am sharing the screen for you all. Okay, Tanvir, Shaptaparna. Look at the screen again. Those who have doubt, I am sharing the screen again. Write it first. Look. C, D, E. Shaptaparna, write first. Acha, up to F to done. G and H. G and H. Okay, look. G, H, I, J. First, I am covering the answers. G, H, and I. First, solve these three. G, I am not going to explain. Just multiply by 2. It is very much easy, huh? Okay, just look at the right side portion by 2. Okay, 2 4s are 8, 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4. Normal multiplication. Just write this braiding part, this box part. I have made a box. Look at this. That box part, right? Note it down fast. Note it down. Now number H I am going to explain. Number H, okay? Look, it is given 78 and 6. Okay? Just normal multiplication. 6, 8, you know the table of 6. Just shake your heads if yes. Aryan Molla, you want to jump from the bed? Sit properly. Acha, raise your hands if you have written up to H. Raise your hands. Avinanda, no need to both the hands. Okay, just you can raise your one hand. That is enough for you, huh? Now look at number 8. I am solving over there. Look, 6, 8, 48. It is 48. So you have to put 8 over there and 4 will be carry forwarded. Okay, this is carry forwarded digit. Now again 6, 7, 42 plus this 4. Yes, it will be 43, 44, 45, 46, right? Just write 46 over there. Done. Write it fast. Up to age completed. Age completed. If completed, then show me your hands in front of the camera. Sharanya, completed. Okay, good, good. I am rubbing the screen, clearing the screen. Achha, look at this. Only I and J are left over there. Write it first. Then I'll unmute all of you. If you have any doubt, you will say. Achha, 3 into 0 means 0. Okay. Then 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. It is very much easy. Sharanya Pal, completed. What are you doing? I can see all of you, huh? Sharanya Pal, Arya Haldar completed. I and then J. I, J. Okay. 72 and 9. You know the table of 9? Just tell me the truth. Yes or no? If yes, shake your heads. Yes. Okay, okay. But not all of you, right? Adrija, no. Okay. Adrika, you know the table of 9? You are doing anything or not, Adrija? Achha, Adrika Khanra. Sorry, Adrika. You have done up to J. Show me your copy. Do it first. Achha, 9 2s are 18. 1 carried over there, right? This is carry forwarded digit. Then 7 9 63 plus this one 64. Write this first. All of you completed? Just raise your hands if you have completed. Just raise your hand. Aratrika, Riskin, Minerva, Deepayan Haldar, if completed, raise your hands. I'll stop to share the screen, huh? Okay, done to all of you? Very good. I'm clearing the screen. Now you will be unmute. Before that, raise your hands, those who have not understood. Raise your hands, those who have not understood. First, those who have not understood. Not understood. Okay, all of you understood. Very good. Now just show me your copy one by one, all of you. Okay, okay. Adrija Mukherjee, show me your copy. Abhinandan Jana, what are you doing? You want to dance? Huh? Dance? Acha, show me your copy, Abhinandan. Farid Khatun, show me your copy. Arad Islam, Aratrika I have seen. Sneet I have seen. Okay, good. Aryan Mullah, yes. Reet seen. Okay, okay, good, good. Acha, Anindya and Avinabha, Shomok Singho, you have not turned on your camera. Okay, you have to turn on your video. Shomok Tefim, Prakriti. Okay, good, good, good. Avinandan and Anindya, just show me your copy. Show me your copy. Both of you, huh? Okay, yes. For all the other student I have seen. Ha, Tafim Jania, good. Acha, Pashmita Nayak, okay. Okay, okay, very good, very good. Riskin, I can't see you properly, huh? Show me your copy. Riskin, yes, yes. For all the student I have seen, but only Shomok Singho and Riskin. I can't see the screen properly, okay? Acha, now look, listen to me very. I am going to unmute all of you, but don't shout, huh? Do not shout. Just I am going to unmute all of you. Unmute yourself, all of you.